So today I'm going to show you how to get the key code for your Ford F-150, Ford Mustang, Ford Explorer, Ford Ranger, Ford Maverick, Ford Edge, Ford Escape, really whatever Ford model you have. This is specifically inside of an F-150, but whatever Ford model you have, you'll be able to get your key code. That means that little code, those numbers on your door, that might be less visible. You might have to put your fingers over the door sill for it to illuminate and that you see those numbers in red. This is to be able to pull your key code in case you're locked out of your vehicle and you don't have, let's say, your phone on you for Ford Pass, or you haven't connected to Ford Pass yet. Highly recommend you connect, download the application Ford Pass, because with Ford Pass, once you've connected it to the vehicle and activated the vehicle with your intelligent smartphone, you'll be able to start your vehicle at a distance, lock and unlock the doors, and do a whole lot more, including even scheduling maintenance with your local dealership or your favorite preferred dealership. But for today, well, I'm Johnny from Johnny's Car Care and Reviews, and well, I'm here to help you use your vehicles, help you save thousands, and help properly inform you about really what's going on in the automotive world with, of course, a specialty when it comes to everything that's Ford, because I am a Ford specialist working out of a dealership, Valley Street Ford. So I'm going to be showing you today what you're going to need to get into your vehicle without any keys, without your phone, with Ford Pass, of course. So really without anything at all. So if this sounds good to you, please, I'm here to help. Hit thumbs up, like, subscribe, turn bell notifications on so you don't miss any of these. All right, so we're here to get out properly the key code for our truck. There's a right and a very wrong way to do it, and it's very specific. So you really pay attention to these 4 clear steps so you don't get all frustrated with the system and the fact that Ford doesn't give out the plastic cards anymore with the key card written on it. You really got to follow these 4 easy steps. Step 1, the truck has to be off. Step 2, get your 2 keys ready. You can even have the dog in the truck. Get your 2 keys ready and have the Ford logo easily facing the ceiling, because what we're going to need to do is take the key and have the Ford logo facing the bed of the truck or the rear of the truck. So Ford logo here is facing the back. You need to have step 3, the silver piece facing down, going into the slot of the cup holder here. So you might say there's no slot. Well, that's because you need to remove the little plastic here like this. You pull on it, it comes up, put it to the side. You see the slot that's now available. Have the Ford logo facing the back of the truck, the silver part down, slide it in, turn accessories on. Count to about 5. Hit the button off. So I turned accessories off. Pull the key out. Now for the 4th step. Everything's been turned off again. Don't ever press the brake in all of this. You need to go into accessory mode, not start the engine. So we're only in accessory mode. No feet on the brake pedal to start it up. Do the same thing. Press it down. Slide it in. Hit accessories again. And if you do that quickly enough, the code will appear. That's how to get your code, folks. All right, so you've got your new Ford and you're wondering, what is this whole key code thing? Now, how do you know if you have a key code? Pretty easy on an F-150 because it sticks right out. But in this door sill on models like the Mustang Mach-E, the Escape, it's hidden, right? So you'll have to just touch right around here on those models, Ford Escape, Ford Mustang Mach-E, and if nothing lights up red, forget about it, you don't have it. But if it does light up red here, you've got your key codes. Now here are a few tricks with your key code. Important to know. Don't waste your time trying to touch just the 1 or just the 2. Let's say your code was 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Right down the middle. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So you have to be actually pretty quick about it. You can't be trying to waste your time going, oh, let's press just the 1. Okay, let's press just the 2. You'll probably end up taking more time and you won't get to unlock the door. So the entire button is for both the vehicle knows what it's doing. So like I said, if it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, you press 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then it would unlock. If you want to lock it, now if you don't have the keys on you, of course, if you have the keys on you, super easy. You want to walk away from the vehicle, you want to lock it easily without taking your keys out of your, coat or purse. Press right there, doors lock. Unlock, if you put your hand right there, and of course, let's say you're right-handed and your thumb's over on the other side and you press both at the same time because you're coming over the top, you press both on the same time, you're just going to confuse the vehicle. So separate, don't press both at the same time. Lock, unlock, and if you want to easily lock your doors using the key code because you don't have the keys on you, press down those two, you'll hear a little click there. If you've got the blinker in your side mirror, it's going to light up to say that the vehicle is locked. Now, folks, that is how you use your key code on your new Ford. I wish you all more. All right, folks, if you don't like the key code that Ford gave you, so Ford gave you your key code right there after when the vehicle was completely off. Little video had taken out here, little pad covering, little tag here that sticks out. That was your key card slot. You had to drop the key in with the Ford logo facing the back of the truck with the metal part down. We put it down in there. We hit accessories. Then we hit accessories again to turn it off. Pulled it out. Truck was off. Put the key back in. Hit accessories again, then the code came out, and if you don't like the code, this is how you're going to change it. You're going to go hit settings button. You're going to go over to vehicle, and you see here different options. I like key detection alert, so the lights go on when I'm around the truck, but you slide down, there's a little scroll bar here, slide down to the bottom and hit door key code pad. You're first gonna have to put in that code that Ford gave you, and then it's gonna give you an option to put in a new code. The original Ford code always stays valid, but if you have trouble remembering that one and there's a code you'd prefer to put in, this is where you go to put it in. Type in your original one, hit enter, and then you'll have your chance to create your own personal keypad code. Hope this has been very helpful, folks. Wish you all more cars and more power. Please like and subscribe to not miss out on any helpful how-to information, ways to save thousands of dollars, car and truck reviews, and a whole lot more here at Johnny's Car Care and Reviews. Hope you get to put the pedal to the metal. You're gonna say okay, because right now your key code's being blocked by your notifications. And your key code should pop out. But now let's problem solve, because our key code didn't pop up. So let's try that again. If it doesn't work, putting it head down. Try with the silver part, so we're all off. Thanks for watching, folks. If you made it this far, please drop a comment, finisher. Really appreciate it if you did make it this far. Special thank you to our members that make keeping this channel alive possible, because we are a small business. So if you want to help out, become a member or subscribe. Becoming a membership is the way to help out the most. Subscribing and turning bell notifications on is obviously very much appreciated. Thank you so much for watching, and until next time, I wish you all more cars and more power, and do hope you get to put the pedal to the metal real soon.